I am Matt George, Land Stewardship Manager for the Civil War Trust, and we are standing at the Slaughterpen Farm property in Fredericksburg, Virginia. The landscape that you see behind me is very closely resembling the battlefield landscape of 1862. A lot of work goes into that to make the battlefields look this way. It's a great benefit to the public because they get to actually feel the battlefield the way that the soldiers felt it. They get to see it the way that the soldiers felt it. And it's valuable to soldiers even today so that they can learn the lessons of the past and be able to apply those lessons to the battlefields of today. A lot of the properties that the Trust owns still has abandoned structures on them, collapsing barns, overgrown vegetation, and a lot of work needs to go into those properties in order to bring them to the type of property that we have here today at Slaughterpen Farm. We're standing on the first day's Chancellorsville battlefield, and as you can see behind me is a structure that we purchased on the first day battlefield that needs to be torn down. It's a structure that dates to probably the turn of the century. It's been abandoned for probably 20 years or more, and we've got at least 5 structures on the property that needs to be taken down. This is a post-war structure, and of course, being the condition that it is, it's an attractive nuisance and is near our walking trail, our interpretive trail, and of course we don't want to have this type of an eyesore where our visitors go. To remediate a property such as this, the average cost is anywhere between $20,000 and $40,000 depending on the type of work that needs to be done. Some of the success stories that the Trust has had obviously would be Lee's headquarters in Gettysburg, Brandy Station, the Breakthrough in Petersburg, as well as the Epicenter in Antietam. Your continued support for projects like this allows you to visit these battlefields and be able to see them the way that the soldiers saw them during the Civil War.